Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to make this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's create new solid layer. Add name audio. Click OK. And select this music and drag and drop into the composition and turn off audio. So select solid layer and go to FX presets, search audio, and select this audio spectrum. Let's use for audio solid layer. And let's see. Okay, there is not audio spectrums. And for now, let's go to audio layers and choose here music. And let's see. Okay, here we go. So right now let's create better audio. Let's go to settings and play for better results. And change this end and bands and maximum height. Let's see. Okay, and also we can choose colors here. Let's select this first yellow and outside color green. Let's see. Okay, let's change yellow like this. Okay, and softness, let's change 0. Let's zoom in here. Let's see difference. Change softness first 100. Okay, let's keep this 0. And thickness, let's change like this. Okay, so in this time, let's select this audio, Ctrl D for duplicate and change name grid. Select audio spectrum, delete, and go to FX presets, search effect grid, and use grid for grid solid layer. And move to behind of audio layer. And let's open inside, select color blue, click OK and change opacity. And go to size form, choose here width slider and change slider like this. Okay, so in this time let's select this grid, link to audio layer and select two solid layers and click checkbox for 3D layers. And let's create a new camera tool, right mouse, new and camera. Don't change any settings, press it 50mm and click OK. And select audio, let's press R, open rotation, and change rotation like this, and change X rotation, and Z rotation. So select camera, and let's right mouse, go to camera and create orbit null for control camera movements. And for move the anchor point center, hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon. Clickation tool, and select camera 1. I will control camera movements with these icons. And for shortcut you can press C in keyboard. So let's press C and let's zoom to here. Again C, move to here. Okay, let's see. And let's create X, Y and Z rotations and go to 5 seconds. Press N for select work area. And let's try to change rotations like this. Okay, let's see. Okay, not bad. So select this grid and change grid like this for little grids. And select camera, let's open inside, camera options and default field. Let's click for turn on and change blur level 200 and change quality quarter and change focus distance. So let's change quality full. And change aperture like this. Okay, let's see. So in this time let's create focus distance keyframe and change distance like this. And go to here, let's change distance to left. Okay, and here let's change to left distance and here. Okay, let's preview animation. Okay, pretty good. And let's use glow. Go to FX presets, search FX glow and use for solid layer audio spectrum. And change glow radius. Okay, not bad. And let's press C and zoom to camera like this for more realistic. And select first focus distance and change keyframe like this to left. And select last 3 keyframes and go to 5 seconds. Change distance to right. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck!